Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use number value function in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and the number value function in Excel is used to convert text that looks like a number into a proper numeric value. So let's start. So you can see as I mentioned some points, important points. The comma is treated as a decimal separator and the dot is treated as a thousand separator. So number value works like this. So I just select here and you can see in this value have a comma and here in some value have a dot. Okay. So I select the cell, use the is equal to and enter here the number value. So I select here the number value functions, then select the text value and then use the comma, then use the double quote and again use the comma, a double quote, bracket closed. Okay, and press the enter. You can see the comma is treated as a decimal. So the comma is converted in decimal. I just drag this formula below the cell and here you see. In this fourth value, you can see the dot here showing is consider the thousand separator. Okay. And comma is a dot. Same as here, comma is dot. Comma is a dot and here dot is considered in thousands. Okay. So this is a way you can use here the number value function in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.